Hey guys, we're taking the 10 a.m. to Fukushima. Yeah. And check it out. We're here at the Tokyo Shinkansen Noiba. And we're gonna get on the train. The train hasn't arrived yet. Left or right? Alright, so we'll be coming on this side.
Yeah, next this one.
Yeah. We're on Tokyo Paul. We're on the way to Fukushima. Yeah. See you. Fukushima. Well, I'm gonna be on the train. I'll show you around. That was really loud. So I'll be on the train. I'll show you around, and we're gonna watch. And we're gonna enjoy the ride on the Shinkansen. Yeah, the ride to the Fukushima should be a little over an hour. So let's enjoy. The Ekiben chicken. So Ekiben is trains obento. Looks so good. Let's check it out. Ekiben shop. They've got all these nice lunch sets. That's a bento. Sukiyaki, 13 bucks. Look at that. Chicken one outside. That looks delicious.
It looks like a Thai.
Oh yeah, fish. Maybe mango tuna and salmon eggs. 14 bucks. Look at that, you got a little kid. I did? Yeah. Should check out another video. Maybe not. Maybe our friend Chris in Tokyo got it. We got chicken there, karage, 10 bucks. Make sure to get a tea. Yeah, man. Pretty cool, right? Premium vanilla ice cream. Guys, Japanese ice cream made with Japanese milk tastes so much better. American milk tastes kind of like water compared to Japanese milk. I mean, yeah. This one has a nice shape. Kind of has a little flower carrot. Looks like fall or some kind of seasonal thing.
And
Clam, bro. I got this before. Clam obento. Just one taste though. That's the problem. Yeah. $9.80. And all the tea you can want. Yep, get the tea. Don't forget the tea. Make sure if you want a snack instead of a meal, go to the convenience store. They've got those here. Crazy train schedule. It's so detailed, but not very useful. So check it out. Snacks for the train. I kind of wanted a beer, so let's get a beer. And they even got sandwiches. I love the shrimp and broccoli sandwich. Chips maybe, some little jagabi, which are like hard fries. Yeah, that looks good. I can't decide what to get, so I'll figure out later. Jagabi. All right, you know it's a train ride when you got Asahi beer and fries, hard fries, jagabi. This is the Shinkansen. Yay. Sorry, dudes. I ate most of it and put some nuts in the bag. But this is a jagabi. Look at that. It's like dried fries. I'm gonna eat one. Cheers. Hard, crispy fries. Perfect. You gotta check out this bathroom area. Let me show you the bathroom area. They've got AC chargers to charge your iPhone. Probably for hair dryers too. Wink, wink. I'm not sure, but look at that. Soap, automatic, water, and a dryer all here, right in front of the bathroom mirror. Cool, right? And we're going really fast. This is the Joet Shinkansen, kind of like a plane. Seeing A, B, C on each side. It's another Shinkansen. I forgot which one that was. Goes to, I think, Sendai, northern Japan, Kita, for example, prefecture. Oh, this one's bound for Sendai. Cool. I think that one is too.
Stops will be made at Fukushima, Koriyama, Fukushima, and Sendai.
Yeah, we're headed to Fukushima, guys. See you in like an hour or so. All here. We're sure how to use this. All right, let's go. Look at that! Wow. So entrance, wash. Get all that soap off my hands. And now air. Wow, look at that. Laser precision. Dry my hands. Pumping. X-ray. That's where we're going? That's where we get off? Alright. We're doing a local train. Alright, this is Koriyama Station on the way to Fukushima. And we're checking out the castle. So, alright, here we go. Getting off. Check this out. Cool green car. Giant train coils for the electricity. Say bye-bye to the Joetsu Shinkansen headed for Sendai. Toriyama Station. Alright. Look at that. That's our friend Lemmy Sendai direction to Sendai. Look at the convenience. And this is Koriyama Station. We are in Fukushima now. Fukushima now. This Koriyama Station. Once again, you're in Fukushima now. Tokyo Park. The Koriyama, this is their mascot. He looks like a cornflake. I mean, he's cute. What's his name? I don't see Koriyama-kun. Oh, what is this thing?
It has a mask on the forehead.
That's creepy, man. What's it called? What's it called?
Oh, it doesn't say.
It doesn't say anything, just a mascot. There's a boy. He has corn on his shirt. Looks like corn. I'm not gonna say. Is it corn? That looks like corn. They both have masks. Outside of Koriyama Station, I just want to show you. Look at that, man. It's a nice waterfall. Yeah, kind of cool. Koriyama Station. Actually, we're still about an hour away by train. We have to take the rapid train, so be careful about the transit. You might have some extra time on your hand. Walk around, explore the area. There's looks like a Shotengai, basically a kind of outdoor covered shopping street. We're gonna explore that. This is the bus terminal. Check it out. I'll get you around the city. This is Koyama Shotengai. Fukushima is known for this little creature called the Aobeko. It's a red cow. Apparently it saved Fukushima like hundreds of years ago. Because, yeah, this is a long story, but anyway, it's cool. This is the local train we're taking to get to Fukushima Castle. That's only 2 cars. And they got a convenience store here. That's helpful. Little Aobeko cow right here. In this tiny car. The seats go front and back. Now we're inside the tiny one-man car, 2 cars, headed for Castle Fukushima.
Please push the button behind the driver to get off the train. Please your computer pass through the driver after the train has started.
That's so gorgeous. Aizu Takamatsu Station. Welcome to Fukushima. We're gonna check out some castles and stuff. Alright. Check it out. This terminal is the end station, so it looks like this. Kind of cool. Check it out. Welcome to Aizu Wakamatsu Station in Fukushima. And I'm gonna check out that Akabeko. This is what they call Akabeko. It looks kind of like a dog here, but I'm pretty sure it's a red cow. Now, this is what Aizu. Yeah, red statue here too. This is a landmark. Giant train wheels. So this is the really beautiful entrance of the theme of the hotel. They even have a cool entrance like this. We're right on top of a waterfall river. Look at that. This is our hotel. What's it called? What's it called? What's this place called?
Takinoyu.
This place is called Takinoyu. It's stupendous, huh? I didn't think I'd get the chance to stay here. Look how beautiful that is. Here in Fukushima, you just take the taxi. It was about 1,500 yen from the city. So that's like a little under 15 bucks. I'd say more like 9 or 10 bucks US. Takinoyu. The Tokyo Pole. I'm in Fukushima at Takinoyu Hotel. Yeah! Wow, look at that. This entrance is unbelievable. Little garden here. And crazy running river down there. Into the nice. So that's the plaque. Pressed. Wow, look at that. Nice. Check out the buildings and then this beautiful bouquet here. And then again, we're right over a rushing river. All in Japan. Up there. Check it out. Wow. Structural hotel. For the map. Grand Waterfall. They sell or let you wear beautiful yukatas you can select. You might not even need to pay just to wear inside the hotel. Full yukata will be rental fee. Oh, there's a fee. You just pay at the front desk and you can wear yukata. Oh, look at this little beautiful corridor. And they have a nice plaques, but look, check out these little Japanese dolls. Very, very beautiful. Again, we're in Fukushima. You got the akapeko cows, happy rice figure faces. Look at these beautiful displays. I think that's a sake cup. I smell some kind of like incense in the air. This hotel wants some prizes. Quite beautiful. Oh, looks like little cafes here. And a little maybe alcohol area. Over here is a great view. I just saw falling leaves in the window. It's so clear. Check it out. Alcohol in the bar. Over there, in the corner. That was a beautiful gift shop. Yeah, this hotel also has a welcome drink, which we're getting, and we also have a projection mapping session later. There's a stage over there. Oh my god. Look at the hotel.